Let us pray together. I invite you to close your eyes. Take a deep breath and let go. Whatever tension you're holding in your body, just let it go. Whatever has been on your mind, just let it go. Just imagine a balloon lifting silently into the sky, carrying away all your troubles, worries, or fears. There is a power greater than ourselves, ready to accept whatever we release. Call it God, call it the principle of divine order, divine presence, call it faith that all is well. At this level of absolute, there is no concern. God's eyes are too pure to behold evil, said Habakkuk. When any troubling thoughts return to the human mind, just release them again. Remember that whatever the situation, it is being handled by forces more powerful and more loving than you can imagine. Any role you have to play will become clear. Just relax and trust. Just take a deep breath and let go.